In aged care, working safely and legally is not optional. Every aged care worker must understand risk assessment, legal requirements, and human rights frameworks. In this video, we will explain how risks are identified and managed, explore legal and human rights responsibilities, introduce key laws governing aged care, and practice these skills through workplace simulations. Section 1. Process of assessing and addressing risks. Different organizations use structured processes to comply with work health and safety laws. According to the Learner Guide, the risk assessment framework follows these steps. Identify potential risks. Make a checklist of risks. Check the site or activity. Report risks identified. Plan how to reduce or remove risks. Implement the risk control plan. This process helps minimize harm to both older people and workers. Simulation 1. Identifying and reporting risk. Something is not safe here.
The floor is wet and there's no warning sign. A resident could fall.
It'll dry soon. Don't worry.
Ignoring risks breaches organizational and WHS requirements. We should do the correct response.
I need to report this hazard and put controls in place immediately.
So this part key learning are: identify risks early, follow WHS process, report hazards. Section 2. Legal and human rights frameworks. Aged care workers must comply with legal and human rights frameworks designed to protect older people. These frameworks protect dignity and quality of life, ensure care is delivered lawfully, allow complaints and investigations. Failure to comply may lead to investigations, penalties, or service closure. Section 3. Role of the Office of the Ombudsman. Role of the Office of the Health. Ombudsman included. The Office of the Health Ombudsman serves as an independent body for handling complaints promoting fair healthcare practices. The Office of the Commonwealth Ombudsman investigates complaints that organizations cannot resolve internally. In aged care, complaints may involve government agencies, funding bodies, regulatory services. Each state and territory has its own ombudsman to protect the rights of older people. Simulation 2. Supporting a complaint. I don't know who to talk to.
I tried complaining, but nothing changed.
You have the right to complain. I can help you contact the appropriate ombudsman.
Supporting access to complaints processes is part of human rights protection. Section 4. National legislation in aged care. Role of the Office of the Health Ombudsman. Serves as an independent body for handling complaints promoting fair healthcare practices. Several key laws regulate aged care services. The Aged Care Act, 1997, sets conditions for approved providers, regulates funding and responsibilities, ensures services meet government standards. The Quality of Care Principles, 2014, include the Aged Care Quality Standards, which promote safe personal and clinical care, support for daily living, feedback and complaints processes. Simulation 3. Applying quality standards. That's not meeting the standard.
No one listens when I give feedback.
You have the right to give feedback and make complaints. I'll help ensure your concerns are recorded and followed up.
This reflects compliance with Standard 6. Feedback and complaints. Section 5. Aged Care. Quality and Safety Commission Act, 2018. The Aged Care Quality and Safety Commission Act, 2018, established the body that monitors aged care providers. The Commission can investigate providers, enforce compliance, protect privacy and confidentiality, apply consequences for breaches. This ensures accountability across the aged care sector. Simulation 4. Responding to regulatory oversight. An investigation is underway.
The Commission is reviewing our service.
I'll make sure all documentation is accurate and procedures are followed.
Compliance and transparency protect older people and staff. To work effectively in aged care, you must Follow structured risk assessment processes. Comply with WHS laws. Understand legal and human rights frameworks. Support complaints and accountability. Work within national legislation and standards. These responsibilities protect older people, workers, and services. Thank you for watching.